How to fix brightness not working on Windows 11 laptop. 1. Press Windows key plus A to launch the Action Center, then check the brightness value. 2. Check brightness in display. 3. Disable change brightness automatically when lighting changes and help improve battery by optimizing the content shown and brightness in brightness. 3. Update your display drivers by using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Switch to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter drivers via Device Manager. 5. Disable the generic PNP monitor driver and enable them again. 6. Run SFC command as admin. 7. Update your Windows.